and welcome back to another video. And today I am making cloud slime. That's what it's called. So I have this container that I'm gonna make it in, but gotta move it closer too. Not really the setup. I literally just got a towel, sides and stuff. I've been making it all day long. I'm not even joking. Okay, so I have this really filled diaper. Okay, that sounds really gross, but yeah. Yeah, I need more slime, so I'm just gonna teach you guys how to make it. But first, I'm gonna show you the consistency and stuff like that. Yeah, but I just gotta mix this in first. I also have a baggie for it. So yeah. So I have a towel here because it gets really messy with cloud slime. Because the diapers go everywhere. The instant snow. That's what it's supposed to be, but diaper stuff is instant snow. I don't know what to call it. Yes, it needs more borax. So my friend Amy, you probably all know if you watch my gaming channel. Same channel. Yeah, if you watch my gaming videos, you'll find her in a couple. Just she was one of my best friends, and I was one day and I called her up saying hey, I just got a gallon of glue and I really want to make slime. Do you have any simple slime recipes? Don't have any detergent. Don't have any really thing to make it with. So can't watch another fake how to make slime without it and stuff. It's been really hard for me because people have been saying on my videos you're fake, this slime doesn't work. Why do you think we will believe that it works? Just well, guess what? It worked for me and it should work for you, okay? Okay, I just gotta get this out. So I might make a reboot one, saying a more recent one, with a better quality camera. I'm hoping for Christmas, which is a couple days away, that I get a camera that's better. Maybe just a download software that makes my cameras better. Because right now I'm using my laptop's camera. Okay, so yeah. So I'm just gonna try to get this out. I'm just trying to get this one out. This is so I made this slime earlier today. I was and it was really hard and bad consistency. You're not able to stretch it. But then I saw a diaper in the cabinet. A diaper that was too small that cannot fit my brother anymore. So then I wet it up while I saw this video on the Sky channel. I don't really know her name. Okay, sorry. Forget her YouTube channel name, but shout out to her. She came up with this, and I have two little brothers actually, so I'm not going to share their age, but they are, one of my brothers is learning how to potty train. My other one doesn't use it. He only uses diapers at night if he needs to. So yeah, I'm just going to wipe my hands off later. Okay, so yeah. And, sorry right now. You can skip to the part where you want to see me how to make it. So yeah. Gonna put some of this in. So yeah, just so it's just easier. You know what I mean? So it's easier to do it. And, is that a bus out there? Okay, anyways. But yeah, I've gotta get this out. Cloud slime can be really sticky. Well, this big slime. Okay, yeah, I'm putting it to the baggie. Luckily, I am in the bathroom where there are a bunch of paper towels. I'm just gonna wipe my hands off quickly. Well, if you're wondering why I'm filming in the bathroom, it's because we don't really have any open availables for me to film right now. So yeah. We have this guy who's like putting the refrigerator in the house right now. He needs a new refrigerator because their other one's broke. So yeah, it's a long story. But yeah, right now I'm really looking. Oh, by the way, if you're wondering if Swimmy diapers work, I have one right here. I am positively sure that they might, or I don't think they will though, because they're like swimmy and they won't get wet when you do that. So yeah, you can give it a shot. Okay, so I'm basically gonna wrap this around the container like so and get this out of our way for that right now. Yeah. Yeah, let me just take it out. Okay, yeah, we need definitely more borax water for this one. This is very, very sticky. Go pour it into my hands actually here. I was calling it borax water so you guys actually know what it is. Okay, that's better consistency. Okay. Oh, they're on the line. Right there. So yeah, I just wanna my sister's with my grandma right now. Like a little special date with my grandma. So I'm just gonna wrap it up because I don't want my legs to be on a dirty towel with slime on it. Because I really love these sweatpants and this shirt. So yeah. And so this is what Cloud Slime looks like in a bag. I have two bags right here. This one's for my sister. So if my sister's watching this if she's subscribed, she would probably watch this video. Yeah. She would see this is, I asked her if she wanted like a hot pink like me or if she wanted a blue, stuff like that. She wanted a pastel pink, so this is hers. I put a lot of foam in it. I put like a diaper full in that one. So yeah. Okay, I'm stuck over here. Now, yeah, let's get with the video. I have this right here, and I'll tell you the ingredients right now. So if you're just looking to make normal slime, you could just watch it too. But yeah. So what I'm going to be using is some glue. I am using Elmer's glue, multi-purpose glue for household repairs. It's called Glue All, extra strong formula. I think this would be good for. It's not really the best for slime. I recommend getting a gallon, like school glue that works the best. But yeah, either one works. Any glue really works, unless it's. One of my fans commented in the comment saying like make a make a video teaching like knowing how to make a super glue slime, and I thought that was a little dangerous at first and stuff like that, and I thought like to think of like some like thing, but like if it gets in your eye or what if it gets stuck in your hands when you didn't do it so much. So yeah, so I don't recommend using that. I'm sorry to the person. Yeah, what you're gonna need is like a container with it and stuff, and so basically you're gonna need a container to put your slime in, your ingredients and stuff. And yeah, I'm in something mixed with, I'm using plastic silverware. I have the whole thing in case one breaks. And you're gonna need some lotion. shaving cream. You might see like the dollar store like challenge making slime. I did actually get this at the dollar store. And it's like I'm not spending $15 on the same thing for shaving foam. So yeah, so I'm using this one, raspberry scented sensitive skin therapy. So if you ever see me using a shaving cream, it's from the dollar store because it's cheap and it works for slime. The cashier looked at me weird. Okay, so and you're also going to be needing borax and put it in water. It takes like a little while to like get like the borax dissolved in it. This has been sitting for a week now, I guess. And so all you have to do is like, if you have like a plastic cup like me, and like you have like the little bumps, you want it to go to the top bump of the middle part, if that makes sense. So you will basically want a cup, you can measure it, a cup of water and put some borax in and mix it. I like look at the bottom, then making sure it dissolves. I know people are going to be like, that's obviously like contact lens solution, but no, it's not. I don't want to waste my time mixing. Yeah, that's basically that. And you're also, if you want to make a cloud slime, you're going to want, this is a DIY one, you're going to want a diaper, then you're going to want to wet it in the inside, like where like this part, like this right here. You're going to want like to wet it, like wet it like for like maybe like 30 seconds, then open it up, and you get this like weird like foam stuff, but that's actually instant snow, and it works as it. So yeah, let's get to it. So yeah, so first, what you're gonna want to do. Okay, you don't actually have to have the shaving cream. I'm actually gonna be using a like. You can use foam soap as well. Foam soap if you use foam soap, it makes it a butter slime. Actually, so yeah, I made a bunch of butter slimes into uh what's it called again? Cloud slime, and it turned out really good. But once you add the I'm moving this for a second. Once you add the shoot the 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 instant snow, you have to add more borax water. So yeah, I'm just gonna add some glue all to it right now. The foam, no, not foam. The I forget what it's called. I'm sorry if I stutter a lot. The 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 instant snow. It actually. Sorry if I have an accent. I just was singing to a musical that I was singing to Waitress, like a song from Waitress, and I don't have that little accent in me. So yeah, the instant snow in it like foams up. Like I use like this much glue for this much slime. So be looking forward for a big batch of slime. So yeah. So now I'm just gonna take like the cover of it, and I'm gonna put some shaving foam in it. I noticed Wendy said shout out to Wendy too. Said like foam shaving foam. But I realized why she was saying that is because I'm gonna use my like a knife or something. A knife. Like because like some people like think like you have to use the foam stuff or else it won't work. Like it won't. Because if you use just like a shaving cream lotion for this, it won't work. It smells like raspberries. So good. Oh, you're also gonna want like a lotion. So you could use any recipe But I just like this recipe because it's really simple and easy and quick. You're probably like, but it's been 15 minutes. Alrighty, I'm looking at the timer right now. Yes, it has and stuff like that, but I was trying to get the other one out and I was in a rush to do it because we have the guy with the refrigerator putting it in. That guy's really nice and does it easily. Okay, let's do that. Okay. Yeah, it's a dishwasher, by the way, not a refrigerator. You guys are going to need some lotion. I'm just going to use some of this, like a little squirt. There. You can use any recipe for slime that you like. It could be a butter slime. It could be any type of slime. But I don't... Has anyone ever made crunchy cloud slime? I wonder if that's like a thing. I feel like it might be. But for a, you kind of want like a hard slime. I took my hardest slimes and they became like really sticky. You kind of want to overactivate it. I find it really satisfying. Okay, now, well, also I'm going to be using, Fizzy Tub Colors by Sesame Street. They're little bath bombs. They're like, there's like a red, blue, and yellow. I only used red, and the red made it a hot pink. This is what the red made it. It's a really pretty color. So yeah. This is what I'm going to be using for the color, so I just got to wash it under water and then put it in, and it would work. And yeah. And I'm just going to actually add that now. I think I'm going to make a blue or yellow. I never made a yellow slime before, so I think I'm going with yellow. I think it might like make it like a pastel yellow, because when I used the red bath bomb before, these are little bath bombs, by the way. Oh, when I use they have like little like ones. They're like $15 for one thing, and there's 50 things. You only really need one for one slime, so 150 slimes you get colored if you buy it. For $15, they're like 10. I don't know. I wasn't with my mom when she bought it. So yeah, we're gonna use this, and I'm just gonna wash it under water and put it in. Okay, once I do that, I'm gonna pop it in. So I'm just gonna get a thing to wash off my hand. So yeah, you can kind of see it's like melting like a bath bomb in here. There's a bath bomb in here. Okay, yeah, it's making it like a pastel yellow. Pastel yellows are like my favorite type of yellows. This is my first day actually making fluffy slime. You may see my first video was named DIY Fluffy Slime. It was like my first time making slime, guys. Don't judge. Okay, this is a really pretty color. Look at that. Can't really see it, but it is a really pretty color. Okay, so let me get, what else do oh yeah. So this borax, I know a bunch of people in comments are probably just like, that's probably something else in the container, not that. Okay, it's coming together. The only thing I don't really like about the slime, you have to like work with it. Like, it gets like stuff on your hands. How to use it. It's not because of that. I think it's just a recipe, or maybe just the glue all I used. So yeah, I'm just gonna mix this. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna add some more. You don't really need too much, but I like over activating mine for that, so then you don't have to add too much in for the cloud slime. Okay, yeah. I think it's time to go in with my hands, actually. Now. Okay. So I just gotta work with it for a little bit. I made some slime this morning like this, and it came out like the same exact way. This is a very pretty color. I made slime before, yellow slime before in a video, but then it actually turned green after playing with it for a while. So yeah, I'm actually making yellow slime. I like yellow slime because it's like slime is a stress reliever, and like once you like play with it, it gives you like happy thoughts because of the yellow. When I think of happy, I think of yellow. Yellow, pink, like pastel. Dark yellows look like mustard. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave it like this. Oh shoot. I'm just gonna mix it up actually a little bit in here. It's a very good color. I love it. Yeah, I got everything out. I'm just gonna mix it a little bit. Play it. I not really like know what like I'm looking for in like the slime. For like a fluffy slime. When I think of fluffy, I think of fat, fluffy cats. So yeah, I'm sick at the time for wondering what I'm doing. I mean, I don't have a time limit anymore once I put in my phone number. That's that sound though. Okay, yeah. So I think this is a good consistency. So I already wet my diaper. I was making a bunch of slime, but then my slime got way too cloudy, like cloudy slime. And I didn't want it to get too more. So yeah, I have a bunch left. I just need like a little bit more scissors. Okay. So yeah, I'm just gonna add some right into it. Make sure you still have more borax in your thing to make it. So this little sign that you see before you is going to be big. It makes like the weirdest sounds when you're putting in the... Do you hear that? I don't know if my sound can pick it up. But still, it's very, very soothing for some reason. Okay. So. Oh no, what's this? Ah, no, get off, get off, get off! I'm gonna be scrubbing tonight. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna actually get some paper towels. You're probably wondering, oh, it's gonna be a fail video. No, it's not. It's just the consistency it's going to be for a little bit. Shoot. Paper towels just fell in the sink. Okay, I'm just gonna move this off for a little bit. There we go. Okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna mix it a little bit in here. Okay, I'm gonna put this here. And I'm gonna start to put with it. Okay, yeah, it's starting to string up. Okay. So, Yeah, this is basically how to make it. You can add as much as you want, but I just want it to get to the consistency where it's like, oh, my cat's trying to get in. Tuddles! 1 second, let me close the door. Tuddles, get out! My cat can open the door with its paws. He's a very fat, fluffy ragdoll cat. If you know what a ragdoll cat is, you should look it up right now, and then you're gonna love cats forever, and you're gonna like cats better than dogs. Leave a like if you like cats and you like animals and you like, yeah. Leave a like if you like to live. Okay, people. Let's try to get this video up to 25 likes. Okay, you're probably gonna look at me now. It's like 25 likes, and you're gonna look in the comments. And it's gonna be like 25 likes. I'm gonna make it 6. I'm gonna make the day a better day. No. Okay. So it's like kind of like the consistency you want it to be at for the stage it is at. It's not really a quick process to do it, to make it, but yeah, it is kind of time consuming. But if you do have like instant snow at your house, I do recommend using that instead because it gets like a better thing. But still, that makes it better. The diapers work a lot, and like they're easier to find in stores. You don't have to wait 2 days on Amazon. But yeah, they're really easier. Okay, I think I'm gonna leave my slime like this. I might add some diapers to it now. This what it. I'm gonna put this back in. What it's like now should be like for the stage it's at. So yeah, you can add more if you like. So yeah, that's how to make the slime. So yeah, everyone, thanks for watching. And give a thumbs up if you like cats and dogs. And yeah, I gotta put this down. It's a little runny. And bye!